Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of www.hospitalityschool.com. In our today's episode, you will learn everything you need to know about
hotel room types. Each hotelier, especially staffs from front office and housekeeping department, should understand hotel room types. It is very necessary for a front desk agent, or front office personnel, or a housekeeper to have clear concept about hotel's room type. Sometimes guest may not understand these terms. At that time, it is necessary for the front desk agent to make him understand all these terms properly. So, it is very important to have hotel management training on this issue. Today we will learn about hotel room types. Here, I am going to discuss 15 most common hotel room types alphabetically.
Please pause the video and click on this subscribe button.
Adjacent rooms. These are more than single rooms. When a room is close to each other, may be divided by a wall, will be called as adjacent rooms. Adjoining rooms. Two rooms with the same common wall but no connecting door. This may be suitable for group tour or family. Connecting room. Here, two rooms beside each other with one common connecting door inside, so that guests can move from each other. In this type of rooms, there are individual outdoor to enter separately. This is suitable for family with children, as there is a common door to move from one to another. Double room, a room for one or two person with one double, or two single beds. In America, double rooms are called as twin room. Double room, a room with two double beds, or a queen bed to accommodate one or more persons. Family room, a perfect room to accommodate a whole family. This could be a double, triple, quad or suite room. As this is especially for family, so if there is a child, then child's cot or Z bed will be provided. Junior suite, a room with a bed with sitting, or living area. This is also called as mini suite. King room, a room with king-size bed to accommodate one or more person. Visit our website, hospitalityschool.com, to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos and read 200+ hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.